Nairobi-Mombasa Expressway is a proposed 4-lane toll highway in Kenya. The highway will link Nairobi, the capital and the largest city in Kenya, to Mombasa, the largest seaport of the country. The new highway is expected to cut travel times between the two cities from the current 6 to 10 hours to approximately 4 hours. So today, my brother and I are hitting the streets of Nairobi to check out the new expressway. Because when he came to Ghana, I showed him the beautiful interchange in Africa, like the second largest interchange in Africa, which is the Pokwase interchange, the 4-tire interchange. So my brother, African traveler, is going to take me around to see this beautiful interchange in Nairobi. Stay with me. Let's go.
Expansion is huge, I would say.
So this place has really changed,
and it's the same way. It's the same way. If I'll take you around and you'll see.
So it's not just this particular area.
Like Nairobi is currently closed for construction, guys.
Wow.
Like every other side. Yeah, it may be. It's a 50-50 thing. The country is headed in the right direction. Let me just say that for now.
Yeah. We don't have to go into details.
Yeah.
No troubles for us.
No trouble for us.
Yeah, but I love this project. The pillars, everything that they are using here. Man, everybody's busy. And 27 kilometers every section has
activities going on.
Right. So what I love about this project is it's going to be done so fast, and it's going to look so humongous. Like from the sky, it's going to be looking so huge.
You know the amazing thing also on this, just on this road project?
No.
Where it ends, there's another project that is ongoing. Another highway that is being built. So we are at Nyayo Stadium.
So I lived around this area, as I told you guys. Nairobi West.
Nairobi West.
Yes.
Just on the corner. So yeah, we are still exploring Expressway Road that we hope to be used. For the next time you visit, I hope you'll use the Expressway.
Yes, we'll be in the air.
Final product.
Guys, this project is so beautiful.
It's massive. I don't see it as beautiful as such, but it's massive, you know?
Yeah. Because the metals, like materials that they are using here, I don't think I'll ever see them again. Technology has really gone forward. So this is phase 2 or phase 3?
No, there's no phase. It's just one project that is running in the same time.
Because there's so many people on this project. So many people.
Yeah, like it's running concurrently.
And everybody's busy.
Yeah. So Nappie, I was just asking, have you seen any major changes since you came back from the last time?
Right.
Look at the pillars here, they're so wide.
Guys, I used to live around here. And the only thing that I could remember was the stadium, because I used to walk down the stadium and get a bus from the streets.
Yeah.
All right.
And this is the CBD.
Uhuru Highway.
Yeah, this is the Senate building. We call it Senate building.
Senate.
Yeah. Senate. The Senate is for the government.
Yeah. Social service. It's about the government workers.
No.
It's not for government workers.
Government MPs, okay. Remember parliament, but it's called Senate. The senators.
Oh, okay. Man, you guys see this? The Matatu Life?
Have you tried Matatu Life?
I tried it once, I didn't like it. Yeah, it's so loud. You know, guys, these people spend $1 million on Matatus.
Yeah.
I learned you guys had an advert on DSTV because of Matatu Life.
Matatu culture.
Yeah, Matatu culture.
Yeah, Matatu is a big thing here. If you don't pimp your car,
nobody's coming.
Kenya and Nairobians don't come to your Matatu. Even Mombasa is the same, so pimping.
Let's do it.
So the more you pimp it, the faster people use it, the faster it is.
I saw something like that in Tanzania, but it's not really like the Matatu. It's pimped, but not to that extent.
Not to that extent. Probably they're trying to borrow what you have. But yeah. So guys, leave a comment. What do you think about the expressway?
Nairobi city itself.
So Nappie says Pokwasi is already opened. I wish he had shot. You see, I think I'll go online and try to see who has updated it. I saw some pictures of it, and people are saying like, would you believe this is Ghana? That's really funny.
This is Ghana, yes.
Yeah, this is Ghana.
I'll definitely go and shoot it.
So I think it was, they took a video of a picture of US and a picture of Pokwasi. And guess which one is Ghana?
This is Ghana, man.
So it was like, guess which is Ghana?
Yeah, and it looked the same. I think I saw that picture. It looked the same.
No, this was like US was a bit lower. And Pokwasi was like, guess which is Ghana and which is US.
Wow.
So yeah.
Yeah, so that's awesome. I think Nairobi is changing gradually. A time will come to Nairobi, you can't even find yourself around because Nairobi is really working well. I mean, I hope this is going to go far into different cities and counties. It wouldn't be just Nairobi, you know.
No, it was in Mombasa just the other day. Mombasa is the CBD, a lot of construction. A lot of construction. If you go to Eldoret, there's a bypass that's being built. Kisumu, there's so many projects going in Kisumu. Like there's projects everywhere.
Awesome.
So Nakuru, I didn't see a lot. So you guys of Nakuru, meashiriwa kidogo. They got.
Did you just say my city is small?
Yeah.
Do you say kidogo?
Kidogo, yeah.
It's small.
No, meachiliwa kidogo. Like no, a little bit.
Okay, a little bit
neglected.
Oh, that's where you're from. Yo, please, government, please go to Nakuru for us.
Especially the road from Bahati, Nakuru Bahati to Naururu. Oh, that road needs a lot of
construction. Oh man,
it's not really good.
Oh man, it's wicked. Kids are playing.
This is Uhuru Park.
Okay. You know one thing that we don't have in Ghana too?
Yeah.
It's park.
Oh my God.
We don't have we have one children's park and it's gone. The park is dead.
Yeah. We thank Wangari Maathai. Do you know Wangari Maathai? Have you ever heard of her? She's the one who. She's the the first Nobel Prize woman leader. What is it? From Africa, laureate. Yeah, she fought for us to ensure that the trees are maintained. The government at that time
was cutting down trees.
In the 90s, wanted to build the tallest building in Africa here.
Oh no!
And she was like,
we don't want concrete jungle.
No.
We want fresh air. I wanted to show that thing.